Jamaicans tasting Japanese snacks for the first time.
Hi guys, this is Neeshuur. What else am I supposed to say after that?
Wow. How much time have we got to this? No, sir.
Intro.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, I'm introducing myself?
Oh, we should introduce ourselves?
That was my introduction were unclear.
Yeah.
Alright, my name is Risha. And my Twitter handle is at KingRihh with 2H. That's KingRihh. Same as Instagram. I don't have a YouTube channel. You have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do. And it's Neeshuur, Neeshuur. So just like, comment, and subscribe. Just go on over there and do the do.
Yeah, what's up guys? This is Dwayne from Downdiroadja. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and of course YouTube. Watch our Jamaican videos. We travel Jamaican, go to events, and eat food. So we're gonna have some fun today.
Hi guys, I'm Rochelle from Rushelin. You can find me on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Rushelin. It's a lifestyle brand and channel and pages, so just follow me over there.
Good. So guys, we're gonna try the first snack. It's called rice cakes or osembe. Osembe. So it's made from rice.
Oh, I want each.
Crackers,
It's good.
fancy crackers.
It's made from what?
Rice.
This actually looks like it tastes good though.
Oh man, nowadays.
It's so good.
Oh, is it just like popcorn?
What's
The sweet popcorn. Is the same? Okay.
Popcorn. Why is it salty?
That one ain't not too bad.
It's salty and sweet. How that even makes
It's
sense?
like sweet, salty.
Alright.
And it starts off salty and then it ends off sweet. So that's not bad.
Good.
Yeah.
No.
So a lot of Japanese kids have this as snacks, and this is probably one of the tasting. They have other flavors as well that use like seaweed and stuff like that. But I brought the nicest one for you guys. You know.
Really?
And then,
Fun.
It's a very weird texture. You can't send it back to Japan.
It's not bad, it's not bad.
the next snack is called umaibo, which is umai means tasty and bo is pole.
What's a pole?
Tasty pole. So anything like this, but
Oh.
it should be a pole.
So what in the pool?
So
Is it bamboo?
Tasty pole. But what is it?
Fast food.
No, smell it.
This looks like potato chips. Oh, this looks like cheese sticks.
Oh my god.
Tastes good?
Tastes like a weird Bigfoot.
Cause I don't trust y'all niggas. Oh, it's nice. It have like an onion flavor.
It have Bigfoot texture. I don't really taste teriyaki. I just taste
Yeah,
onion.
it tastes like a barbecue cheese snackish
A barbecue
thing.
Bigfoot.
Is it like a burger?
I don't want to remind me of Bigfoot. Slightly. No? You don't like it? Too much onion?
Too much something.
Sauce katsu. So katsu is usually pork cutlet, deep fried and breaded on the outside.
That's all you, bro.
I'd like one more pole.
So, alright. Interesting texture.
I feel like
there.
you're gonna like this one. I'm like
Not
it.
terrible. It's very chewy though. Just like them leave it out in the sun for like 2 weeks, and then them just throw some sauce on it and leave it out for the next week. Yeah. All right.
Steamed fish cake snack, chili pepper Spiciness makes you want to eat more.
Not too long.
This smells like
Oh, rubber
fish
this.
food.
This is rubber. It'll go down?
But that smell like fish food too.
Yeah. Like sardine. But it now go down. Rubbery. Look at that. You know, I never chew.
That's a fish food taste.
You sure you're not supposed to go in water?
It's called Black Thunder.
Teeth are gonna hurt me. I'll make you go first.
Can't wait.
Do you eat chocolate?
No, man, me eat it. It doesn't smell that bad. Oh,
It tastes good.
this is like chocolate. This not look bad
It
enough.
looks like it can work.
Yeah, this look.
Like a hybrid Knickers type of vibes.
It tastes like Milo.
A dark chocolate?
Milo. You know, it tastes like Milo.
Yeah, kinda.
This is like Milo. Like when you teeth some out of the pan.
Let's dash it in your mouth.
That work, man.
Alright, Japan.
Yeah, man, this is one. Right now, if you ever know me hungry.
I see you, Japan. And your Black Thunder.
You have no more of this over there?
I really like this, so I'm gonna finish it.
Alright, this one is good. I feel like I can't go wrong
I
with
love
chocolate.
this. Like this tastes like
Like catch?
catch.
Yeah.
Catch.
The red.
I was gonna say the red bags chocolate, but it never came to me. But it tastes like
It
catch.
tastes like catch.
This can't eat. What name? Oh man, this is nice.
Alright, this is a soda bubble
Why that look
candy.
like a condom packet?
Why are you giving us condoms, bro?
Is it supposed to like bubble in your mouth?
This is intentional.
Is this like soda in pill form? This does look like condom though, I must say.
So if I put it in the water, it's gonna fizz up?
First of all, the packet look like a condom. Then it look like a bus off. no. Like.
All of it in your mouth. Put all the condom thing in your mouth.
You put the condom in your mouth. Okay.
It tastes like something I tasted before. But I'm just...
Or sweet you used to eat, so. I don't know what though.
I think my palate needed this.
It tastes like, you know, when you're sick, and you put the thing in the
Yeah,
orange juice,
the vitamin C
C thing in the water. It tastes like that, and then it has like a salty taste afterwards.
Yeah.
So then,
You know?
it tastes like something you have to eat when you're
Thanks
sick.
for this because I needed that.
But anything
after.
better than what? The okra thing.
An okra snack.
But like okra, you know, so
Plum flavored.
it can't fool.
Okay.
Okra
I
snack.
feel like I've been crying
plum
since this
thing.
video started.
They are real. Oh.
Them fried okra.
Let me back the chocolate there. Mouth.
We can't steam it first, like
Can I buy the chocolate just to wash up my mouth little?
who have some
Next. Oh my gosh.
What was it?
I'm not sure I'm taste it right, I forgot again. That one in already.
No.
Ah god.
This is so bad now. Where chocolate there? Where the chocolate gone?
No, next.
This tastes so awful. You want some of the chocolate for wash it with?
Teamwork.
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine in the pasta. Oh. Yeah, this is nice. It's like grape soda.
Isn't fettuccine like a pasta?
Like cheese pasta, right?
So it's grape cheese, guys. Yeah.
The noodles called fettuccine.
Oh,
So it's like that's the shape it has.
Oh, that's at least.
I stand corrected.
you're right.
So it's grape flavored pasta. Pretty much.
I like gummy bear now, so I like this.
Alright,
Yeah, man,
Japan.
I keep going now. I want to.
Yeah.
When this tastes like gummy bear, you know?
Wanna get back up on one stripe.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, no,
Tastes like great gummy bear. I'm gonna tell you about the okra. Now the okra still there with me now? The okra still there with me.
Grilled squid legs.
I've never. Like,
It's the real no, it's like
It's real squid.
this smell like fish food. You know it smell for eat.
I'm not sure about this.
Like you know here.
You go first.
Alright.
It smell like, you know, the shrimp them.
Oh, the pepper shrimp.
Yeah, when them fry up and put in the bag.
So, but then all this I got eat.
I never yet eat squid.
Whoops.
Mr. The eye.
You see the what?
No. This looks like one eye.
Alright, see. Even if I wanted to try it, I couldn't because it can't back it off.
Sweet potato snack.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it purple?
Sweet potato is purple.
Oh.
Ish. Sometimes.
Is it?
Wow.
Alright.
This is very purple.
Have confidence in this
Do you
one
see
too.
potatoes?
Yeah. Goodbye.
Oh, I'm
It's
sorry.
like
But
plain,
no,
no?
not. Yeah. That not tastes like it's supposed to eat.
And I don't really like purple either, so.
Which part of this a potato?
It's like it come out of soup or something.
Tastes
It
like.
tastes very healthy.
Yeah, it does
That's
taste
the word.
healthy.
Let me tell you.
You still like eat it?
It feel like Play-Doh. It tastes like
It tastes kind of vegan.
I feel like when I was on my diet and my meal prep girl just give me bare vegetable and every day my cuss. This is what this tastes like.
It's not sweet, so it tastes like a sugar-free snack. Like something that you'd eat if you're on diet. You know?
oh, it's sweet potatoes. It is right. That's what it tastes like.
I don't eat it. I don't know.
Trash or fire?
To the side.
It tastes nice. It's just that it's purple.
This is soup pie. Soup pie means sour, so it's like sour potato chips.
Why are these so weird? Why don't you?
Lemon flavor.
This not bad. It's not bad at all. This can work.
Wow. It's nice.
Alright.
It just tastes like regular.
Yeah, potato
Potato
chips. Look a flavor.
Smoked quail eggs.
I'm not eat that.
You're gonna cry. You see these tears, guys?
Wait, hold on.
Let me drink some water for now.
In the ball.
It's not terrible.
The cherry with you that is the smoke flavor.
It's really an egg, like yolk in there and everything. Like. No, try it. You can try it.
Yeah, I think you should try.
For real.
Suppose this give me an allergic reaction.
Egg? It's a bird.
I mean, even though my face looks like this, it's not terrible.
What's the white part?
It's not very good either. I think one bite is enough.
No thanks.
Osakana sausage. This
You're
is
thinking
a-
Why would I want to make fish sausage? Like, the fish is okay in the form it's in already.
Fish sausage.
Yeah.
That don't make no sense.
You have chicken sausage, you have pork sausage, same as well.
Interesting.
Japan, we need to have a talk.
Oh. This look like, first of all,
You sure I'm not from? Wow. As in that's it, or is it in something?
I just think it's really white.
That never look like something, but look like something else.
You said flop out?
No.
I don't like sausage.
No.
Next.
Okay. It's not terrible. But it's not great either.
I mean, I like this. No.
Japan, don't do this.
Like fish and sausage, just No, this have a nasty aftertaste.
Fish and almonds.
What? I didn't sign up for this anyway at all. Like, I'm not eating this.
Come on, right, man.
I'm not eating this.
This can't eat.
No, like,
That can't eat. That name dropped down same time.
bruv.
And he's
if
in
I
the
eat
back
this,
there
I'm
like
gonna throw up.
stomach upset just by smelling
This one
it.
is a no-go, guys.
It smells really bad.
I'm a good sport, but yeah, I think I'm gonna throw up if I try that.
This can go on. It's not that
It have a
spicy.
taste of something. I like when it have though. It tastes onion. So bad though.
It's not spicy. It have a little thing I go on.
Strawberry flavor.
Anything stick shape you think I like for something.
Wow.
Why this remind me of weed?
What is it?
Okay, this one is okay, guys. It's like rolled candy bar on a stick, like a wafer. It's like a strawberry wafer.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, it have a shape.
it smells nice though.
It is like a strawberry wafer.
That ain't bad.
It's like a strawberry cake.
No man.
Your stomach.
The okra, do something.
Don't it.
My body don't feel right.
My chest don't feel right
Yo,
after the okra.
is doing something to me right now.
Can you imagine if you had the fish and almonds? You would have just dropped
I'd
down.
throw up.
Okay,
Like some
I want this.
yogurt, something.
This is nice. I want this. Can I have another pack?
Alright guys, this is the last snack for today.
Oh yes.
Guys, we made it.
We
it's
made
the last
it.
snack.
The blockbuster.
Oh gosh. Yo, I'm nervous.
No, I think can we do the purple gummy bear?
You already had the purple thing already.
No, the gummy one.
Yeah,
Guys.
already.
Point exactly.
This is a pickled plum. I don't like pickles. I don't know if I'm going to like a pickled plum.
Can I not?
Yo, let's do it. It's the last one. Like, if we die together.
Eh. And that's how it works.
like the Titanic. Oh no, but a Jack did dead.
And that's how it works, my love.
God damn it. Come, you have to try it. Okay, let's not die. If we throw up, we throw up together.
It smells like the plum. I can't eat it. It smells like the other thing. It smells like the okra. May I go throw up if I eat that?
Guys, don't eat pickled plums.
You know, actually, that's one of the number one flavor things. They also have it in rice. They have a called onigiri, where they have that in the center and the rice around it as a snack. I had it the first time and I thought it was spoiled fish.
I don't like the
Japanese
flavor.
people eat this as a snack.
The flavor.
The flavor doesn't sit with it, right?
Right now, I honestly feel like more syrup.
Thanks, guys. Please follow them on their social media channels. It will be linked down below, social media and their YouTube page. And yeah, so tell them bye. Tell them bye.
Guys, I really wish I could give you a warm and welcoming goodbye, but I'm traumatized and I may be filing a lawsuit. Yeah, big up Dre for the experience. It was fun and very interesting. Remember to check out Down the Road. Just type Downdiroadja on all social media platforms.
Alright guys, so the experience for me was not too bad because I didn't try the things that I'm allergic to, so that's good. But honestly, the okra something there, it licked me for 6. But some of the other things were not as bad. Some, as you guys would have seen the reaction. But thank you for inviting me in this video. It was a good one. And guys, remember to follow me on all social media platforms at Rushlin.
It's right there.
And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.
Alright, so I'd like to thank my fellow Jamaicans for joining this video. They had a wonderful time, as you could tell. And as a token of my appreciation, I'm giving them Warripan official hats here at Rush. Why Rush?
Thank you!
And Doofy.
Yo, it's lit.
And KingRihh. She got out already. She got her yellow out already. So she just did previous. See the boom.
Hold on. I need to open it. I'm so
yeah, man. So this is a Jamaican that created the brand in Japan, Warripan. That's correct.
Brand is strong.
On Instagram, Jerry Mills, big up yourself, and yeah. Well, big up to Pure Studio. Them reasonable. They'll give me a deal and thing, you know. And
Big up to Pure.
Yeah, man. And you know.
Big up Rushlin for the suggestion.
Big up Rushlin for the suggestion. We don't know if Rushlin can get a bigger discount. I actually want to give you $1,000 pay for my life. You don't know. You can't feed her still, you know. But yeah, big up. We don't know. So, you support the Jamaican YouTubers and thing and do anything. Alright? Share the video, like, subscribe to the thing. Boom bang, bing bang, boom boom. Hi.
Bye.
Matane.
Bye.